how to log into your 2K Games account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply make sure that you're connected to your internet. Then from here, simply open some sort of browser. I'm using my Chrome, and then from here simply search for 2K Games login, then click on the first link that you'll be able to see by official 2K Games, right? So after clicking on that specific link here, you'll be able to get into our official website of 2K Game. In here, all you need to do is add in your email address and the password of your 2K account, and then from there all you need to do is click on login in order to log into your account. So in case if you have used any of those platforms to sign up your account, then you can click on any of the platform and go along with the process of adding down their own credentials and then logging into your account, right? So if you want this website to remember your ID, you can simply select the option keep me logged in, and then later when you try to sign into your account, your website will actually remember you, right? So after doing that, if in case unfortunately you have forgotten your password, then you can also click on the option forgot your password. Then you can simply add in your email address, then you can simply click on reset password, and after doing that you will actually be getting a link from 2K. You can simply open that link on your email inbox, and then you can simply reset your password. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.